Hi angels, hi my loves, it's LV Lux Girl back again with another video. So in today's video I wanted to do a video on how I restore my vintage Coach bags, you guys. So if that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and let's get started with the video. So the other day I went to a consignment store and I found two vintage Coach bags. I found this dinky bag in the lower right hand corner, and I found the convertible clutch in the upper left hand corner. And at first I wasn't going to get the dinky bag in the lower right corner because the color was like a putty tan color and I thought it had too many losses. But actually after I came home and washed her up, you guys, looks like she's going to be just fine. She looks a little darker than putty or tan right now because she is still wet. She's going through the drying process. So the first thing that I do when I bring my vintage Coach bags home is I vacuum them out. I vacuum the interior and the inside out to get rid of any debris from the previous owner. And the next thing that I do is you can either use your bathtub or you can use, like today was a very nice warm day outside. So I just basically took them outside and I was able to use the water hose to wash them out. And I used a little bit of Dawn dish detergent, or you can use some leather care, some apple leather care shampoo. And then when you're done, you're gonna let these dry for about 2 to 3 days. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna stuff them. And what I usually use to stuff them is a little bit of old clothes. You see I have some old clothes in the upper right hand corner right there that I've cut up. Basically, I use old clothes to stuff them with, to form them so that they keep their shape. And just make sure whatever old clothing items that you use, it doesn't have any, lint or anything, because you don't want to leave lint on the interior of the bag, or you'll have that headache to clean out. You'll have that headache to clean out when you're done, when it's finished drying. Okay, so after you stuff and reshape the bag, you're going to let it dry for about 2 to 3 days. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna use some Apple leather conditioner or some Chamberlain's leather conditioner. You can either use Apple leather conditioner or the Chamberlain's leather milk conditioner. And then you're gonna also, you could get some shoe polish. Get some shoe polish so that you could buff out, brown, red, or black, any color that the bag is. You can use some shoe polish to finish buffing the bag out. And then of course you have your Brasso that you can use on the hardware of the bag. So after you're done with all of that, you'll have your bag and it'll be ready for you to wear and sport. And I'm excited, you guys. I can't wait to see how these turn out. Another thing is, remember when you wash your bag to go ahead and take out the strap, take the straps off. You see in the lower corner of my screen, I took the straps out of the bag so that I can wash them and get them clean as well. Now another thing is, I wasn't going to wash the red vintage Coach bag. It's a vintage legacy bag, you guys. I wasn't going to wash it at first because the red bags, when you wash them, they lose a little bit of their color. And this red was such a vibrant red. I didn't want to lose any of the color. And she's drying right now, so she looks a little bit darker. But you guys, she's going to be a beauty when I'm done with her. Be sure to stay tuned to my channel so that you can see what these bags look like, especially that beautiful red legacy, when I'm all done with them and I have them all ready to go. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you soon in another video.